Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer cryptocurrency from Bybit to a Web3 wallet. So let's dive right in. First, open your Bybit application and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap on the Assets option located at the bottom right corner and select Withdraw. Now choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Let's say Ethereum as an example. After that, enter your Web3 wallet address. Make sure to select the correct network and input the amount you want to transfer. Once you have done that, click on Withdraw. That's it, guys. That's how you can successfully transfer your crypto from Bybit to your Web3 wallet. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.